Hello guys, welcome back to the series Introduction to Python. In this video, we are going to discuss about the built-in functions in Python. In our previous videos, we have seen quite a few built-in functions. We have seen functions like type, open, and close, and so on. To that built-in functions, we will look into like few more which will be really useful if you're handling strings. First, we'll create a variable and assign a string value to it. Example for the built-in function. So we have created a variable a and assigned a string value. So what if you want to find the length of the string? We have a built-in function called length, and you pass the variable a. You assign the output to the length variable, and we print. If we run this code, the Python interpreter will fetch the length of the variable a, and it will print the output. Let's run the program and check this out. And it's 32. So the length of the variable a is 32. This is how we find the length. So what if you want to change all the characters to the uppercase? In that case, we call the variable name with the dot operator and call the function called upper. This upper function will convert all the strings into an uppercase. Let's run the program and check this out. If you guys notice, all the strings has been converted to the uppercase. What if you wanted to change all the characters to the lowercase? We have a function called lower. So we specify the variable, and with the dot operator we call the function lower. So if I run this, Python interpreter will convert all the character into a lowercase. Then how to split? You wanted to split a string based on certain condition or based on certain value. In that case, we use the split. We use the variable name, we call the function split, and we pass the value which you wanted to split. So I wanted to split on the value the. So example and for will be one value, and built-in and functions will be another value, because the string is splitted with the value the. Let's run the program and check this out. Yes, if you guys noticed, our string has been splitted into two. Then strip. If you want to remove a certain value from the string, we use the strip function. We call the variable name and we call the function strip and the value which we need to pass. In our case, we'll pass example. We wanted to remove the word example from our string, so I'm passing the word example. Let's run the program and check this out. If you guys noticed, from our string, the original string, example for the built-in function, the example has been removed. This is the use of the strip function. So what if you wanted to replace a certain value of the string with another value? We have another function called replace. We use the variable, then the dot operator, then the value. In this example, I'm going to replace the with another value called what we can call the value Okay, replace. So from a string, I'm going to replace the value the with a value called replace. Let's run the program and check this out. If you guys noticed, the value the has been replaced. So if you wanted to replace a certain value, we use the inbuilt function called replace. There are a lot of built-in functions that are available in Python. You guys can keep on exploring things. I believe you guys understood in high level how the built-in function works. So, we have reached to the end of our tutorial. I believe you guys understood the basic concepts of Python in detail. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Science of Data. See you guys in the next series.